Students everywhere are discovering a new academic superpower. It's not in the textbooks. It's artificial intelligence. AI has officially entered the classroom. From elementary school to university labs, intelligent systems are becoming the new silent classmate, helping students brainstorm, research, write, design, and solve problems faster than ever before. Think about it. Instant access to a tool that can help you outline your essay, debug your code, or even visualize complex scientific concepts. It's like having a personal assistant ready to go 24/7. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's homework. Forget memorizing everything. AI helps students understand anything instantly. Need help with a tough math problem? It can break it down step by step until you finally get it. Studying a new science concept? Creates dynamic diagrams and simulations that bring theories to life right on your screen. And if you're learning a new language, it can practice with you, correcting your pronunciation like a real patient tutor. For the first time in history, a truly personalized education is no longer just a futuristic dream. It's an app you can download right now. It adapts to your pace, your style, and your specific needs, making learning more effective and accessible than ever before. But every powerful tool has a shadow side, with AI doing so much of the heavy lifting. There's a growing concern that some students are losing their critical thinking skills. Or worse, they're just handing over their entire assignments to be done by a machine. This creates a huge challenge for teachers who struggle to tell who is actually learning and who is just outsourcing their work. The line is getting blurry. And the more students rely on AI, the harder it becomes to tell where human effort ends and where the machine's output begins. It raises a tough question. Are we learning, or are we just becoming really good at copying and pasting? The truth is, AI isn't replacing students. It's replacing students who don't know how to use it. The next generation won't be competing against AI. They'll be competing against other people who know how to use AI better. The real skills of the future are research, creativity, and problem solving. And AI can supercharge all of them. But that's only true for those who learn to work with it as a partner, not let it do all the thinking for them. It's about using AI to elevate your own abilities, not to replace them. AI is the new study partner. It's the new research assistant, the new creative engine. And very soon, it will be a new requirement for every student navigating our data-driven world. This is Tech Outbreak. Welcome to the future of learning.